Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a topic that can be super frustrating. Internet server error. Whether you are dealing with a 500 internet server error or a 502 bad gateway, we have got you covered. Let's get those issues sorted out. First, let's quickly talk about what this error means. Internet server errors are usually issues on the server side, meaning the problem is not with your device, but with the server you are trying to access. Common examples include 500 internet server error, 502 bad gateway, 503 service unavailable. This error indicates something went wrong on the server while processing your request. But don't worry, there are steps you can take to try and fix them. First method. We need to clear your browser cache. So open your browser settings. Then go to Privacy and Security and click Clear Browsing Data. Select Advanced, choose All Time, and then delete the data. Second method, we need to go to cPanel. I have already opened it. Now let's open the file manager. Then the public_HTML folder. Next, we need to open the WP content folder. Here we can see the plugin folder. Let's rename it. I will name it all.plugins. Then check your website. If it works, you will need to find the specific plugin causing the issue. To do this, rename each plugin one by one until you find the problematic one. Once identified, you should update or delete the fault plugin. Third method. Sometimes the problems occur due to issues from the hosting provider, so I suggest contacting your hosting provider for assistance. Thank you very much for watching the video.